All right, hi fifth graders, welcome back to Mr. Hansen's Math Class YouTube channel. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe, and if you find this video helpful and answer some of your questions, make sure you give it a like as well. All right, lesson 66, this will be a really short lesson today, is reading a centimeter scale, okay? So, usually a ruler, rulers that you have in class and rulers you have at home are usually 30 centimeters long and are or is divided into millimeters. So we'll skip down a little bit to this ruler. If you can see from 0 to 1, that's 1 centimeter, and then there's 9 tick marks in between the 0 and the 1. That's 9 millimeters, and then the 10th is the 1 centimeter. So it'd be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 if you're talking millimeters. Okay? Each millimeter is 1/10 of a centimeter. So it's really easy when you're dealing with centimeters and millimeters to transfer to each. So for example 1, write the length of this segment. Okay, so if, of course the line has to start at 0, and if we go, you can't really see it probably very well in the video, but it is about right here. Okay, so we would go, so we're at 1, and then it's asking as a number of centimeters. Okay, so we'll first find it as centimeters. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we count the little tick marks. So the whole number is 4, and since there's not another whole number, we're talking decimal. Okay, now this is where centimeters and millimeters are really easy, because since there's tenths, it's broken down into tenths. In the tenths place, that's how many tick marks there are. That whichever tick mark it lands on, that's your tenths place. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then label would be centimeters. Okay? And then as millimeters, you just multiply it by 10. Okay? Instead of having to count every tick mark, from 0 to 1, that's 10. So it'd be 10, 20, 30, 40, and then we counted 7 tick marks, so it'd be 47 millimeters. Or you could just move the decimal over to the right one place, since we're dealing with millimeter or centimeters to millimeters. We're going from a bigger unit to a smaller unit, so it'll be more. Okay? And then last example, like I said, this is a pretty short lesson. Example 2, to what decimal number is the arrow pointing? Again, now this is a little bigger so you can see. So now, pretend this is a ruler, okay? We could label it as centimeters. This is a centimeter ruler. So if we're at 3 centimeters, it's between 3 and 4, but it's less than 4, so it has to be 3. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10, so then we can do tenths. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and say this is centimeters. To change it to millimeters, again, either multiply it by 10 or just move the decimal to the right one place. So then it would be 37 millimeters. Okay? Again, really short lesson today, and that's it. Okay? If you have questions, don't be afraid to email me directly. This video shout out goes to Caitlin and Jackson. Hope you're both doing well and staying safe and are healthy. And that goes out for all you fifth graders out there. Hope you're staying healthy. And please abide to the social distancing that is out there to try and limit this as best as we can, so we can come back to school so I can see you guys face to face. If you have questions, again, don't be afraid to hit me up on the email. Otherwise, till next time, peace out.